Blizzards, the formidable offspring of winter, are nature's grand reminder of her unpredictable power. These intense snowstorms, characterized by strong winds and low visibility, can transform a serene landscape into a chaotic blanket of white fury almost instantly. While many associate them simply with heavy snowfall, the real peril lies in the fierce winds that can escalate snow into blinding walls, known as whiteouts. Such conditions can render travel impossible and disrupt daily life, showcasing the raw intensity of nature. Yet, amidst this chaos, blizzards also sculpt the landscape, creating breathtaking scenes post-storm. In the end, they remind us of the delicate balance between nature's tranquility and its awe-inspiring force.